The Buddha once said that evento gaze at a Buddha image with a distracted mind can lead to freedom from suffering and the attainment of happiness in the future. What's more, it is beneficial even to gaze at a Buddha image in anger. The merit of the Buddha image is immense. It is said in letter to a friend that any Buddha statue, regardless of its material or how finely it was crafted, even if it is molded from mud or carved from wood, is something one should respect. Shakyamuni Buddha himself remised, after my parinirvana, if people build Buddha statues, feel gratitude or confidence toward them, and often bring them to mind, this will not be much different from if the Buddha were alive. Thus, visualizing and meditating in a Buddha statue is of great significance to our present and future lives.